So as you can see, we have started. Remove the fender, the bumper, the hood, just so I could get a good visual of the actual frame of the car. It's hard to come up with a design when everything is installed because of the shapes that this car has. They kind of hinder on your imagination. But now it's blank. We're gonna move at some point. The radiator support has to move over about there, a few inches. I've started getting rid of some rust. As the build is happening, restoration will take place at the same time, so we're doing both. I want to make sure that I don't go back and say, oh, I left some rust there or there. No, there will be no rust left in this car. Everything will be grinded down. Wheels, that has been difficult. I want the car to go about this wide in the back, a little bit less wide in the front, but has been really difficult to find wheels that I like besides like fake wheels. The interior will be modernized as much as possible. The rear will look completely different. The lighting will change. It will not look anything like this. It will be way more modern. And I think by the end, it will be kind of what the new Miata should have been with the pop-up headlights. So I'm definitely keeping the pop-up headlights. They might be slightly modified or shaped to fit the new lines, but it'll be great. So if you want to see the progress on this Miata, please hit that subscribe button. We are actually going to start doing long form videos now. It has taken a while. It took us a while just to get this place, but now we're in it. So it's going to end up being a mini version of a famous Mazda that never was. All right, see you soon.